Good morning, people. I am not sure what the hell look I'm going for today, so if you guys don't mind, sorry, I'm turning on my TV. If you guys don't mind just winging it with me today, as we always do, I don't know, I wanted to do something probably like a little more fallish, but I'm not sure. Anywho, we're gonna start out with the Juvia's Place palette. This is I think the Amazon's palette, and we're just gonna start off with this color right here as our transition color. We're just going to go in there and just make sure we have a nice transition. I was thinking about doing like a burgundy, and then I was like, no, I wanted to do a green, and I just don't know what the hell we're about to do. We're about to do something though. We're gonna pull it all together. I do know that I want it to be a matte look today, so no shimmer. We're gonna do just a matte look. Okay. Okay, give me a second to go ahead and do the other eye and figure out what we're doing, and I'll be back. All right, so now we're gonna do the James Charles. We're gonna use this little color right here. Hopefully this comes out the way that I envisioned it. Y'all know how I do. I never know until we get it on the eye. So I'm kind of gonna do like a deep burgundy look today. Again, just kind of holding your head up to get into that crease. And I'm just blending, guys. It is so important to blend. Even if you feel like it's not, I'm telling y'all, it'll make it look so much better. Just take like the extra time and just blend. Especially like when you're doing photos or whatever, it will come out so much better in photos. I'm starting to notice that when doing photos, if your foundation, meaning like the whole face or like how you apply stuff, if that's in order, then your photo will be fucking popping. Okay, so I've blended that. I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna kind of take it in too a little bit, just to make sure it gets in that corner over there. My eyes are watering. My allergies are acting up today. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other eye and then I'll be right back. I'm going to go back to this palette. Do we use this palette yet? I'm not sure. But we're gonna go back to this palette. I'm gonna start off with this color to see how it shows up. Told you I don't know what I'm doing today. We're just kind of winging it. So I'm just gonna keep this right here in this corner, like right towards the arch. So I'm gonna keep that color. You just want to make sure that you blend, mama. I'm telling y'all, if y'all blend, even your most ugliest looks or looks that you feel are ugly will come out so freaking amazeballs. Like you just, it's a part of life. Like you just gotta blend. It may take you a little bit longer, but you just have to. You just gotta do it. Okay, so that's that eye. I'm gonna do the other eye and be right back. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in. Oh Jesus. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with this burgundy color right here. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that right there. I'm gonna push a little bit harder just to make sure that it goes into my crease. I want it to be a little bit darker, as you guys can see. If you get it on your lid, that is perfectly fine. You know, when I do my cut crease, I kind of like the ends to be dark anyway, so that just kind of goes together for me. And it's less blending that I have to do if I just go ahead and get it on there now on the corner. just like a tad bit more. So my website will be coming soon, so be on the lookout for that. But for all photos of any of the lashes that I wear, then you guys can, you know, definitely follow me on Instagram, which is Ari Jane Parker. But these short shorts, I was kind of hating on y'all ladies that rock short lashes, but now I see we can really make them a thing. Like, okay, all right. I just wanted y'all to get into this glow, like, that highlight, baby. Popping. It's popping. Let me tell y'all something. If your hands don't look like this, your arms and shit don't look like this after you are done, baby, you did not motherfucker do your job. You did not, okay? Alright, people, here is the finished look. I told y'all I wasn't doing too much to my hair. It was just gonna be what it was. So, yeah, here is the finished look. Let me see if I can turn this down. Hang on. Turn this down. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. Now y'all can get like the full little view and move that on. So this is something that is super simple with a pop of color. Hopefully this stays within the fall season. I mean, I keep on trying to stay within the fall season. I honestly do. But you know, when color gets to calling your name, you know, I just playing. But yeah, if you guys like it, then make sure you give me a like and make sure that you subscribe to my channel so I keep on making content for y'all. Like, I seriously do appreciate all of the support you guys have been giving me. It really warms my heart. I love to see you guys recreate my looks. Like, I'm not jealous. Like, I'm not gonna be like, oh, she styled my shit. Girl, do you, baby girl. Do you. We are here to learn from each other. This channel is built on nothing but support. If you negative, you get the fuck out, you know. But I absolutely adore you guys, and I thank you so much for being here. I love you. Mwah.